Hello, and welcome back to our partner training series presented by ServingIntel for your point of sale system. In today's video, we will continue to discuss and explain the operations of your customer loyalty program. More specifically, today we will begin to learn how to access the email functions of your customer loyalty program. To begin this process, we'll start by learning how to configure your email and texting options that relate to your customer loyalty program. The customer loyalty report, which we learned about in our previous video, allows users to email a form letter to specified customers. Users can use the email and texting settings configured in System Settings or enter email settings in the Email Settings window. In this video, we will learn how to configure our email settings via our System Settings. To begin this, we will start in our back office. Once there, we'll start by clicking the Settings icon, followed by the System Settings icon right here. This will bring us to our Systems Settings window. From here, we can click the System Configuration tab. And then we will click the Email and Texting tab. Just note, it may be necessary for you to contact your IT professional or email provider to acquire the information that you will need for this configuration. But once you have the necessary information, we will begin by filling in the outgoing server field. Here, you will enter the address for the outgoing email server. Next, in the port field, we will select the port for the outgoing email server. Then, if your server uses SSL, you will check this box here. And for those of you that aren't sure what SSL is, SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, which is a standard security protocol for establishing encrypted links between a web server and a browser in an online communication. The usage of SSL technology ensures that all data transmitted between the web server and the browser remains encrypted. And again, it is best to check with your IT professional if you're unsure of any of these settings. Next, we'll move down here to this box and set our email user settings. The information entered here will act as the from address for any emails sent. First, we'll enter the full address in the username field. Then we will enter the email password right here in the password field. Once we have all those settings configured, we will click File and Save. And if you would like to see if you set everything up correctly, you can send a test email to make sure. To do this, you will simply type an email address into this field and click here. Or you could also leave that test email field blank and click the Test Email Server Settings button to send a test email to the username entered above. And voila! We have successfully set up our email settings via the System Settings tab. So make sure you tune into the next video so that you can see how to send emails to your customer loyalty programs right from the Customer Loyalty Report. And don't forget to click the link below to subscribe to the ServingIntel channel. That way you can stay up to date on the latest tips, tricks, and new technologies available to you from ServingIntel. And as always, if you encounter any issues with this or any aspect of your system, please call the ServingIntel Service Desk for 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week premium software support by dialing 1-888-477-7711 extension 2. Support tickets can also be generated by sending an email to service@pos.partners, and your support request will be handled quickly and efficiently by one of our highly trained and dedicated support staff members. Thank you for tuning in to our Partner Learning Series, and be on the lookout for more helpful videos and tips coming soon. And most importantly, thank you for choosing ServingIntel for all of your restaurant technology needs.